Request for approval of Federal Government 2025-2026 external borrowing rolling plans. I write in reference to the above subject and to submit the attached Federal Government 2025-2026 external borrowing rolling plan for consideration and early approval of the National Assembly to ensure prompt implementation of the projects. Distinguished Senate is invited to note that the 2025-2026 borrowing plan cut across all sectors with specific emphasis on infrastructure, agriculture, health, education, water supply, growth, security, and employment generation, as well as financial management reforms, amongst others. Total facility of the projects and programs under the borrowing rolling plan is estimated at US $21.5 million. So we have 21,543,647. Senator Sani Musa.